Now at first glance, number 49 can be a little bit intimidating because it's got 3 pieces on it. The good news is it's no harder than the other ones we've done because, well, it's just the same thing with just more verses to it. Exact same song, more verses. Instead of having just a left and a right, now we're going to have a left, a middle, and a right. Look at these domains. Less than -2. Well, that's just going to be everything on the left of -2. That's my left hand. Look at the bottom domain. X is... made a mistake there. That should have been a greater than 2. Sorry, copied the problem wrong. That's everything to the right of +2. And this one's sandwiched between -2 and 2. That's just going to be a middle one. So, still going to work the exact same way, just more pieces. Let's go ahead and plot those border lines. We're going to have one at -2 and one at +2. So let's go ahead and make our table of values. Our first one for the left-hand column, we're going to choose the border line there at -2 and then choose the ones that go to the left. So -3, -4, -5. Well, y is just going to equal 4 on every single one of those. So plot your points. -2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's see, it is not equal to, so we put an open circle, -3, 4, -4, 4, -5, 4, and then hey, let's just continue on and on forever, straight constant line. Now let's do that middle section right there. Again, let's do middle, the XY chart, and we're going to choose all of the X values that are there in between. So -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. And we've got X squared, so that's -2 squared is 4, -1 squared is 1, 0 squared is 0, 1 squared is 1, and 2 squared is 4. Plot those points. On this case, on both boundary lines, we're going to do a closed circle. So we're going to go to -2, 4. Now that circle was originally open, but since these two coincided, it's going to go ahead and fill that hole. Then we've got the point 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, and then 2, 4. And just like we did back in first grade, let's go ahead and connect those dots and make us a nice, pretty parabola there. Okay, not so pretty. Now let's go ahead and do our right hand one. We've got X and Y. And once again, choose X values. And you're going to go from the left, or start at the border line and go to the right. +2, 3, 4, and 5. -X plus 6. So that it'll be -2 plus 6. That's going to give me 4. -3 plus 6 will give me 3. -4 plus 6 will give me 2. And -5 plus 6 will give me 1. So that is on this one. Again, it gets an open circle. But if I go to the point 2, 4, I'm technically leaving an open circle here, but it's already filled in by the previous one. Then we've got the point 3, 3, 4, 2, and 5, 1. Connect the dots, draw the arrowhead on the end, and we're finished.